Are you aware that choosing an inappropriate partner for your project will slow down your business growth and you will lose time and precious money? Working with cheap people who barely understand English and also speak English and agreeing to everything without ever delivering? Or with people who need babysitting without actually understanding the business? Do you know how to create those hot sales funnels to grab attention and obtain the best conversion rate? Do you know how to bring quality visitors to your website? Or if you have visitors, how to convert them into customers? Most probably you are on this page because you want to have a quality partner that can help you with all those things. And if you are a serious business owner, you will feel me right now. There's a high chance that you want to partner with a flexible team that has the know-how and the ability to apply it in your business. My name is Daniel Strugaro and I help companies generate more revenue through digital marketing using validated strategies and structured processes. The reason why you are here is that you have problems with managing the Facebook advertising. Maybe you don't have access to the right strategies, or you don't know how to manage the entire process of sales through sales funnels. Finding the right audience and using validated Facebook ad strategies and sales funnels will make the difference for scaling your company. In order to achieve that, we will use our internal e-com 7-step process that is focused on conversion and increasing the ROI, return of investment. All the information that we have gathered from our applied strategies will help your business to reach the right client. We will offer the right content that will convert them from a simple visitor to a loyal customer. We will pass through the right funnel, offering him the right hook. How? Testing and measuring. I think having the right partner who will communicate effectively always, understand your objectives and handle professionally from A to Z the entire project is something that you are looking for your business. For me and my clients, it's important to discover, attract and convert qualified customers. More and more companies are using Facebook ads and sales funnels nowadays to spread the word about their business concept, engage with website visitors and convert the leads. I'm sure that marketing is not for everyone. Fortunately, discover, attract and convert qualified customers are my very best specialty. There is a process with which we can bring you results. And my mission is to share this process with you. I've been doing this for a long time and I prefer to work with people that are committed to their business. I have particular criteria for the companies that I work with. We can't work with everybody, because we only want to work with people that we can really deliver results for. Working only with passionate business owners proved to me that we can achieve the best results possible. This is the reason why I know it's better to talk directly on a phone call. So I will offer a free consultation call to understand if this is a project that will fit both of us, and I can share exactly how this process works, then how we can apply it in your business. Worst case scenario, you're just gonna walk away with this strategy and then you can implement it in your business by yourself. This being said, I know for sure that you don't want to lose precious leads focusing on the wrong strategies. If you are on the same page with me, after you invested a few minutes from your time to watch this video, send me a message here. I will send a link and then you can choose a perfect time for you to book a call with me. Talk to you soon.